So you're interested in the Salida, Colorado area? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you the inside of a historic downtown Salida home, and I'm also going to talk to you about why living in downtown Salida and on F Street is so desirable. So if you're doing a search for properties here, you know why this is such a desirable place to be. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about living in Salida, Colorado and the real estate market here. So if you are interested in that, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you're the first to know when new informative videos become available. My name is Monica McCarthy, a realtor that specializes in Salida, Colorado and surrounding areas, and I get calls all the time from people just like you looking to move here. So whether you're thinking of moving here in a few weeks or a few months, please reach out to me. All of my contact information is below. Let's schedule a time to chat and I'd be happy to help you make a smooth transition to the Salida, Colorado area. Okay, so before I talk about this specific house that I'm going to show you, I want to talk a little bit more about why downtown Salida is so desirable and why F Street is also a very desirable area in downtown Salida. So if you watched any of my other videos about living in Salida, you know that the closer to the downtown area, the more desirable it is, and from a home buying perspective or even selling perspective, the more cost per square foot it often is. Salida is a historic area. The heart of downtown Salida is F Street and First Street. So that is a commercial area where there's lots of shops, and we have an art district here. We are a designated historic district and a designated creative district. So there's lots of galleries, there's coffee shops, there's boutiques. And so the heart of downtown is kind of the place to be. So the closer you are to F and First Street, the more desirable it is. And so Salida is also very known for its walkability. A lot of people who are looking for this area, looking to move here, really are drawn to the walkability and bikeability of downtown Salida. So the further away from that heart that I just talked about, harder it is to walk and bike. But this area in particular is just very walkable and bikeable, very pedestrian and bike friendly. I actually have some clients who want that walkability, and so they're looking at like less than a mile radius from the downtown area when they're looking for a home. So not everybody wants that, but it is sought after and there's often a price tag associated with it. And a few other highlights to living in the downtown area, besides obviously the walkability and bikeability that I talked about, there's just some parts of the downtown area that are desirable. We've got Alpine Park, which is on F Street and 5th Street. It's a great park, and all through the summer there are farmers markets there and other events there. Just a few blocks further down, we have the Arkansas River running through the downtown area, and we also have Riverside Park. Obviously it's by the river, and we have a lot of events there in addition to a playground for kids. And we have a new Scout Wave where people can come and surf on the river, and then, you know, all throughout the year you have people enjoying all of the river activities. And then just over the river we have the Arkansas Hills Trail System. You can easily run, walk, hike, bike all along those beautiful trails. That it's a huge network that they're growing and expanding all of the time. When you're living in the downtown area, you're not only close to all the shops and everything I mentioned, but you're close to all of those outdoor activities. So just that lifestyle, the Salida, Colorado lifestyle is huge on the outdoors. And so the closer you are to have access to those things, the more desirable it is. And so let's talk about F Street a little bit more. So like I said, F and First is kind of the heart of downtown, but all of F Street, the further away from First, you know, you get into more residential areas. And so there's a lot of older homes. The home we're talking about today was built in 1900, and there's just a hodgepodge of ages of homes, conditions of homes, types of homes. It's really cool. You have some old Victorians, you have some bungalows, you have some newer properties that have been built in more recent years because the prior property was scraped and they built on that. So it's a hodgepodge, but it's got a ton of character and it's a really great place to be. One cool thing about living on F Street is on Halloween every year, Salida celebrates Halloween. You know, we're a small mountain town. There's about 6,000 people who live here. Everybody trick or treats with their kids on F Street. It's very rare to go outside of F Street. And so actually the city blocks off a huge chunk of F Street to allow families with their kids to safely go trick or treating on both sides with, you know, not having to worry about cars coming through. And many of the homeowners on F Street decorate their houses really fun and they pass out candy. There's actually, because it's such a concentrated dedicated place for trick-or-treating. Many people get together to donate candy to the homeowners because it's basically just a flood of kids coming through. And it is such a picturesque, small town experience to experience Halloween on F Street. So that's just a fun little bonus of knowing if you find a house on F Street, you get to participate in that really fun small town event, which is just, you have to see it to believe it. It's actually quite sweet. So let's talk about 820 F Street. I'm going to talk to you more about my recent listing here. Like I said before, it was built in the 1900s. To explain some of this property, you have to know Salida's history a little bit. Salida was founded as a railroad town. We were a stop on the railroad. And so it was founded in the late 1800s, and a lot of people who lived here worked for the railroad. So this house in particular was actually called a flop house. So the front of the house was used for railroad workers to come and just sleep and go back to work. So it has a cool look to it. It has that cool history. When you walk in, you can see some exposed Salida brick, and it just shows it's part of that time. And there's a lot of cool old homes in our area with that exposed Salida brick and the hardwood floors here. So this home itself is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 757 square foot house listed for $495, and it has a bonus room in it that offers a Murphy bed and some built-ins. So this space could be used for an office or additional bedroom, or even opening it up and turning it into, an expanded dining room area. The home itself has a lot of recent improvements, including a newer roof, new plumbing, a main gas line replacement, a tankless hot water heater, fresh paint inside and the outside, and it has a cozy eat-in kitchen with a newer stove as well. And it has 2 gas heaters that heat the property that are fairly new, one in the kitchen and one in the living room. And it also has a really sweet porch space, so it's a good spot you could enjoy your morning coffee or relax and get the fresh mountain air from the inviting covered front porch. And it's the perfect spot to just sit and take in just the charm of living in downtown Salida and meet your neighbors and see the passersby as you sit on that front porch. It also has 2 sheds, one of which is a very large 200 square foot, basically garage sized shed that the owners added in the last few years. And it's a really good space to store your belongings if needed. And another great part of this property is the landscaping. The owners added a lot of beautiful plants, and some of which are specific to Salida. So they're drought resistant, they're native to this area. And the plants in the front yard are deer resistant because there are deer that frequent this area. And so it's nice when those deer don't come and eat your beautiful plants. So the plants in the front are designed to withstand that, and those deer won't eat them. They also have a convenient soaker hose system going to all of the plants, so it's really easy to water. So this home is a really good starter home or investment property, or property just to get into living in the downtown Salida area. So if you are interested in living in downtown Salida, particularly on F Street, on this really fun, vibrant part of our small mountain town, then reach out to me. This property might not be available, but you can reach out to me to see if it is, to get the most recent update, and also to see what other properties in the downtown Salida area could be available. And I can chat with you more about the pros and cons of living in that downtown area versus exploring other parts of town. So please reach out to me if you've got questions about this home or any other properties here in Salida. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Monica McCarthy, and I hope you have a really good day.